Welcome to Rome Tips. Be sure to like and subscribe for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below, and remember, this video reflects my personal experience using the service. Today, we're looking at Updox, found at www.updox.com. Updox provides a suite of tools designed to streamline communication and workflow within healthcare practices. Their platform aims to enhance patient engagement, optimize internal operations, and ultimately, boost practice efficiency. Updox offers a variety of features, including secure text messaging for quick and convenient communication with patients and colleagues, automated patient reminders to reduce no-shows and improve appointment adherence, and a telehealth solution that enables virtual consultations and remote patient monitoring. They also offer a document management system to help practices transition towards a paperless environment, further enhancing efficiency and reducing storage needs. This platform isn't just about connecting with patients, it also facilitates collaboration within the practice. Updox offers secure internal messaging and file sharing, enabling seamless communication between staff members. This streamlined communication can significantly improve coordination and reduce the risk of errors or miscommunication. One of the key advantages of Updox is its focus on integration. The platform is designed to integrate with a wide range of electronic health record (EHR) systems, allowing practices to seamlessly incorporate Updox into their existing workflows. This integration helps avoid the need for duplicate data entry and ensures a smooth flow of information between systems. Security is paramount in healthcare, and Updox emphasizes the importance of protecting patient data. They adhere to HIPAA regulations and employ robust security measures to safeguard sensitive information. This focus on security provides peace of mind for both patients and practices. Ultimately, Updox aims to empower healthcare providers to connect with patients more effectively, streamline administrative tasks, and improve overall practice performance. By consolidating various communication and workflow tools into a single platform, Updox helps practices operate more efficiently and deliver higher quality care. If you're interested in learning more, check out the link in the description.